Hi, it's Julie Vallone with Tech Bargains, and I am here in the Lenovo trailer to talk about one of their latest products. This is one of their Ideapads,
Yes.
Ideapad Yoga, and you'll find out why in just a bit that it's called the Yoga. Very flexible functionality is pretty incredible. Joining me now is Kevin to talk more about this.
Yeah, thank you. So it's my pleasure to introduce this kind of things. We call this Ideapad Yoga, and the first layer you can see that is an Ultrabook, it's Ultra Thin, and we use a remarkable design. We call this journal just look like a book, and like our entire Ultrabook series, right? And when we open that, it's kind of very clean design inside. And we're running the early stage of the Windows 8 by now. And this one is very clean design, one-piece touchpad with the glass finish. And we also have the laser fitting of the palm rest, so which can make the customer feel much better way when they type in some of the keys, right? Very comfortable. So. And the screens, we're using the 13.3 screen and HD Plus as the resolution. And also we're using the IPS panel, so you can see a very good view angle, right? And in terms of the Windows 8, we also support touch, the multi-touch on this kind of model. So you can see that very smooth multi-touch, and we support 10-finger multi-touch in this model. And that is the Ultrabook, that is the Windows 8 enable, that is the multi-touch, 10-finger multi-touch. And furthermore, is we can do it like this way, right? You can see, like that way. Flip over, and then they go to the tablet model.
Yeah, just like a tablet, very thin, and the keyboard below is now shut off. It's not going to mess with you if you're putting this on the table or your fingers touch it.
Sure. We already disabled that, and just like I said, so this looks like a book and act like a book, and flip over just change to a tablet model. And not just this. So because we have this kind of special hinge designs there, so sometimes the people even have more usage mode on that. For example, they can put on the small table on the flight. So look at this way. This way we call it stand model. So we can play on the movie or some things more, save more space. And also we have a model we call vent model like that. So when we play some heavy touch games, so you can use that kind of model, right?
Yeah.
So very easy way. And some of the customer even think about maybe we can put that this way. I'll ask the question, why we put that this way? Because they have a big monitor. They don't want the screens to plug the wheel, so they want to use that to just using a different monitor. Because we do a lot of the user survey, the customer not just stay by the table to working on the laptop anymore. So the more and more customers just working on the couch, lay on the bed, even the bathroom, kitchen room, whatever they want. So we want to using some more the special form factors, special design to cover the different usage models. So that is we call this Ideapad Yoga. It's a multiple model laptop.
You can tell why they call it that, just the flexibility and functionality of it. Talk about the camera on it, a little bit about how fast the processor is for us.
Oh, the processor we're using the latest Intel Core i family processor, and the camera we're using the HD camera, which is the 720p, and support the 30 frames per second. So that is a very good quality camera. Okay, because of that is a very early machine from the Windows 8. Maybe we cannot demo that on the camera way. Okay, so but yes, that is the premium Ultrabook we will have in the 2012. And in terms of the OS, we will ship that by the second half of this year. And for the cost, again, the OS pricing is not defined yet. We think maybe the $1,200 because it's the SSD only model, so it's kind of a little bit premium Ultrabook offering.
Hey, it's Jeff, and I'm here at the Lenovo trailer at CES 2012 with Tom from Lenovo, and he's actually going to show us the brand new S2110, which has a couple of interesting tricks right up its sleeve. So, Tom, why don't you show us this brand new device?
Thanks, Jeff. See this, it looks like a notebook, right? But actually, you press here, it's a pad. And just what you can see now, this pad, thin and light. It's thin, only like 8.69 mm, 580 grams. And with the battery life more than 10 hours, only in the single pad. And we use the latest ice cream sandwich, Android, and together, with the Lenovo OS. And also, this Qualcomm 1.5 dual core together, with 1 giga low power DDR, can ensure you have the longest battery life with the best performance. Let me just show you one more video. It's a 1080p and very high resolution. The transformer. See, this is the video. What I do now, just try to move They're like this. Whatever I move, I stop. There's no any of the delay or buffer time for this video. 1080p. Okay, and except this, what? We have another clam dock here, and this clam dock, what I do, I put this together. Okay, they're gonna be 20 hours battery life because we have the clam dock give another extra 10 hours. So 20 hours now is the best for the all the manufacturer who produce 10-inch clam dock. So also I would like to introduce for the inch design. It's so different. Normally, the manufacturer what we have now they put it like that, but we put it like this. The reason we have small hole here, if, for example, you put a tab here, it's very easy. You can put in one side, another, you find the balance with just one. You can put inside there, So even it's very, very dark place, it still can do it the same. And also, what I can do, see for you here, for our clam dock here, is have standard full USB 2 and micro USB. For our media friends, also see there's have full SD, so you can share pictures, videos directly from this here. So we put this together. Also, the clam dock can like to do some basic business work, Excel file, rewrite a PPT, etc., doing some homework. So just balance between the entertainment 10-inch pad together with clam dock doing some productive work. So this our Westlake, you see, sing and the light. Also, give you productivity 20 hours battery life. Hold together. It's pad, it's notebook, it's pad.
And how much storage do you actually get on the 2110 by itself?
Well, now it's a 16. We have 32 available, 64 available as well. Just depends on marketing requirement,
This looks really awesome. How much is it going to cost, and when is it going to be available for customers to get?
Now it's $319 to $549. Single pad $399, together with clam dock $549, and will be available second quarter.
This looks awesome. We can't wait to get our hands on it. Tom, thanks a lot.
Pleasure.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Wanted to tell you a little bit about Lenovo breaking into the television market. They are making a huge splash with a 55-inch LED smart TV. And joining me now to talk a little more about that is Melody. Melody, what an amazing product that Lenovo decided to go into.
Yes, it is the traditional TV. No, it's the smart tablet. No, it's smart TV from Lenovo. Yes, let me show you how smart it is. Let's go to the front page. And this is the home page, you see. And we have, it called Sandwich UI. It has 3 screens here. And the first page, you see, it is the traditional TV here. You can connect your cable. And when I want to move to another page, you just need to slap it. Yes, you can also click it. Can click it. Yes, this is the app page. All the applications you installed are showing here, and we have some games you can play with your remote controller, and we also have an additional choice. It is a gamepad. You can play together, double games.
And you can get more from the Lenovo store?
Yes, let's go. And it has the facial recognition. If you don't want your child to download too much games, you can lock it and only your face can recognize. Let me show you. Yes.
And it knew it was you and,
Yes.
and goes to your preferences as well.
Yeah. This is our Lenovo store. It has hundreds of popular games tools here, and we will pre-install several very popular tools for the user. So once user buy it, he can use very quickly. Definitely, they can install everything they want from some other market. Yes. But all the games or tools in the Lenovo stores, we all verified. It works very well on our smart TV due to its high definition.
And
Yes.
what we just noticed is you use the camera for facial recognition, which means you can also video conference or
of
video
course.
chat with friends.
Yes. If you install some other, such as Skype apps, so you can doing the video conference and the video call with your friends, some guy from China maybe. Yes.
Because right now this is only available in China, right?
Yes, first they launched at China.
When do you expect it will be available in the U.S. market?
We are planning it, not decided yet.
Great.
And let's go back to the front page. And let's move to the VOD page. Yes, it's called VOD. In the last year, Lenovo and Shanghai SMG co-built another new company called Best TV company. All the contents from it, and we have about 10,000 hours contents here. And it will update timely. Yes, let's go into the movie list. We have a 3D contents and 2D contents here, and absolutely it is 3D TV. Yes, you can use the
in case there was any
glasses
doubt.
to see. Yes, and also when you playing the games, normal 2D games, it can convert it. Yes, it can convert 2D to 3D, and you can have more fun with those 3D glasses. When you want to search a movie you want, just press the search key, and you can use the keyboard on the remote controller, and also you can use the voice recognition. Ocean. Yes, that's cool. Yes, and press it, it will show all the contents related to the ocean keyword, and press it, and you can add it to your favorite list and find it very quickly from the front page. Yes, when I playing, yes, yeah, playing it, and there is another key on the remote controller called comments here, and when you press it, it will connect it to your social network. And this is called Weibo in China. It's a very popular social network, such as Twitter.
So while you're watching, you can comment on your favorite show.
Yes, timely. You can share your feelings to the networks. And on the left side, and it has the comments here. And when you input, you can also use the keyboard on the remote controller, and also the voice input. 今天天气真好. Yes, Chinese word. It means the weather is very good.
So you can just talk into it instead of
Yeah.
even having to break out the pad. You can, instead of typing, you say exactly what you want to say.
Release your hands and just use a voice to talking and to translate your word to the character. Yes, let's go back to the main movie. And also you can press the switch the smart TV and the traditional TV. It can zoom out to get the full screen of TV.
Now, will the smart TV come out in any other sizes? Is 55-inch the standard size that it will be premiering in China right now?
In China first, and we have two models of it. This is the 55 size. We have another 42.
Okay.
Both are 3D.
Great. Melody, this is a great example of what Lenovo is doing, breaking into television. I really appreciate it.
Thank you
so
my pleasure.
much.
Yes.